In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to zoom in Windows 11 without using any software. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So here at the settings, please directly proceed to the left side and you can see there accessibility next to gaming. So please click on it, and this accessibility is being composed of three categories, which are vision, hearing, and interaction. And since we're dealing with the zooming in of our Windows 11, then we need to proceed here at the magnifier. So here at the magnifier, you need to proceed with the magnifier and aligning to what you can see there as switched option. So please turn it on. Okay. And the moment you've turned it on, you would be able to see zoom level. Okay. There you can see zoom level. All you need to do is you need to navigate here. Okay. So in this way, okay, you can also change the zoom level by clicking on here. Click on this add icon and that way you'll be able to change the zoom level here in your Windows 11. Okay. So that's it. You just have to turn on again the magnifier and that way you would be able to zoom in your Windows 11 PC. Okay. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.